Hey, good morning.
Morning, Kay. You're up early today.
Yeah, I wanted to start the day calm. How are you?
I'm good. A little sleepy, but good. How about you?
Same. Sleepy, but ready. The weather feels nice today.
Yes, it's not too hot. It's a good morning to walk.
True. Are you heading to work now?
In 10 minutes. I just need to grab my bag.
Nice. I'm going out too. I saw you yesterday evening. You were taking out the trash, right?
Yes, I was. I forgot earlier, so I did it late.
No worries. I do that sometimes too.
Small question. Do you live on the third floor or the fourth floor?
Third floor, room 307. How about you?
Fourth floor, room 412. We are pretty close.
Oh, that's why I see you often.
Yeah, I also see you at the elevator a lot.
The elevator is slow, but it helps people.
True. Sometimes I take the stairs.
Me too, when I'm not carrying stuff.
By the way, your shoes look new.
Oh, thanks. I got them last week. They're more comfortable.
Nice. I like the color. It's simple.
Thanks. I like simple things.
Same. Simple is easy.
So, how is your week going?
Busy. Work is busy this week. Many emails.
Oh no, lots of emails is tiring.
Yes, and some people write very long emails.
I know. Sometimes I read the first line and the last line.
Me too. I try to read everything, but it's hard.
What do you do, by the way? I don't think I asked.
I work in an office. I do simple admin work. And you?
I work at a school. I help with classes and schedules.
Oh, that sounds interesting. Do you like it?
Yes, mostly. Some days are stressful, but I like the people.
People can make work good or bad.
Exactly. If the team is kind, the day feels easier.
At my office, most people are nice, but we have one coworker who is always in a hurry.
Always in a hurry?
Yes, even when it's not urgent.
That can be stressful.
It is, but I try to stay calm.
Good idea. Calm is powerful.
Do you usually drink coffee in the morning?
Yes, 1 cup. How about you?
I drink tea, black tea.
Nice. Do you drink it with sugar?
No sugar, just plain.
Wow, you are strong.
Not strong, I just like the taste.
I wish I could do that.
You can. Start with less sugar.
That's true. I can try. I heard noise last night. Did you hear it too?
Maybe. What kind of noise?
It sounded like someone moving furniture.
Oh, yes, I heard that. It was around 10, right?
Yes, around 10.
I think the new neighbor is moving in.
Oh, we have a new neighbor?
Yes, I saw boxes near the hallway yesterday.
That makes sense. I hope they are nice.
Me too. It's always good to have friendly neighbors.
Yeah, a smile in the hallway is a big thing.
True. Speaking of neighbors, do you know the older man in room 305?
The one with the small dog?
Yes, him.
I don't know his name, but he always says hello.
Same. His dog is cute.
Very cute. The dog is quiet too.
Yes, I like quiet dogs.
Me too. How long have you lived here?
About 6 months. And you?
Almost a year.
Oh, so you know the building more than me.
A little, but I still get confused sometimes.
Me too. I still press the wrong button in the elevator.
Me too. Sometimes I press 5 and I don't know why.
Yes, then you just wait like, okay, I guess I'm going to 5.
Exactly.
Do you usually do small talk with neighbors?
Yes, I try to. Even a simple hello is good.
Same. Sometimes I feel shy, but I still do it.
It's okay to be shy.
Yeah, I just smile and say, morning.
That's perfect.
Sometimes people don't answer.
That happens. Maybe they didn't hear.
Or maybe they're sleepy.
True. Or they're thinking.
Yes, I don't take it personally.
Good. That's a healthy way. At work, do people talk about weekend plans?
Yes, a lot. Every Monday.
Monday is weekend story day.
Exactly. People say, how was your weekend?
And you say, it was good.
Yes, or it was quiet.
Quiet weekends are best sometimes.
True. Do you have a favorite way to relax?
I watch simple videos and take a walk.
Nice. I like music and cleaning my room.
Cleaning can be relaxing?
For me, yes. It makes me feel fresh.
I understand. A clean room feels good.
Yes, and it's also nice to find things easily.
True. Do you ever talk to neighbors outside, like in the parking area?
Sometimes, usually just, hi and have a good day.
Same. I see one neighbor walking his bike.
Oh, I think I know. A tall guy.
Yes,
He smiles a lot.
he does. I like that.
Me too. I feel like small talk is easy when the other person is friendly.
Yes, if they smile, you feel safe.
Exactly.
And if they look busy, you keep it short.
Right, like, hi and take care.
Yes, respect their time.
That's good manners.
At your office, do you have a lunch group?
Sometimes I eat with two coworkers.
Nice. Do you talk a lot at lunch?
A little, mostly about food and work.
Food is a safe topic.
Yes, everyone likes food.
True.
Do you bring lunch or buy lunch?
I bring lunch most days.
Me too. It saves money.
Yes, and it's healthier.
Usually, unless I bring cookies.
Cookies are still okay.
In small amounts.
Yes, small amounts. I saw a package in the lobby with your name on it yesterday. Did you get it?
Oh, yes, thank you. I picked it up.
Great. I didn't want it to get lost.
That's kind of you.
No problem. The lobby can be messy sometimes.
Yes, many boxes.
Online shopping is everywhere now.
True.
Do you know the security guard downstairs?
A little. He says hello.
Same. He is polite.
Yes, polite people make the building feel safe.
I agree.
Have you ever had an awkward small talk moment?
Yes, one time I said good night in the morning.
I did that too.
Really?
Yes, my coworker laughed.
It happens. Our brain is not ready.
Exactly.
Another time I said enjoy your food to a coworker who was leaving.
That's funny.
He said thanks, you too.
Perfect.
We both knew it was wrong, but we smiled.
That's the best way. Smile and move on. Do you like to chat a little, or do you prefer quiet?
A little chat is nice, not too much.
Same. Short and friendly.
Yes, like 2 minutes.
2 minutes is perfect.
Sometimes at work people ask, how are you? But they keep walking.
Yes, it's more like, hello.
Exactly. So I answer fast. Good, you?
And they say, good.
And that's it.
That's small talk.
Yes, small but useful.
Do you ever talk about the weather at work?
All the time.
Me too.
It's hot today.
Yes, very hot.
Hope it cools down.
Me too.
Easy.
Very easy.
Sometimes I don't know what to say, so I ask a simple question.
Like what?
Like, how was your weekend? Or did you sleep well?
Those are good.
Or how was traffic today?
Oh, yes, traffic is a common topic.
Yes, because everyone comes to work.
True. In the building, I sometimes say, busy day?
That's a good one.
And they could say, yes, or not really.
Simple answers are easy.
Exactly.
Do you have a coworker who talks a lot?
Yes, one guy talks non-stop.
Non-stop?
Yes, even when we are walking to a meeting.
Wow, what do you do?
I smile and say, I need to focus if I'm busy.
That's polite.
I try to be polite.
At my office, one coworker asks many personal questions.
Oh, that can be uncomfortable.
Yes, so I answer in a general way.
Like what?
Like, oh, my family is fine, or I'm just busy these days.
That's smart. Keep it general.
Yes, small talk is not deep talk.
Exactly. Sometimes neighbors ask, where are you going?
Yes, I get that.
I usually say, just going to work or just going to the store.
Same, short answer.
And then I ask, how about you?
Yes, that keeps it friendly. Do you know any coworkers who never talk?
Yes, one woman is very quiet.
Maybe she is shy.
I think so. She smiles though.
A smile is enough.
Yes, I don't push her to talk.
That's respectful.
What time do you usually start work?
9 a.m. And you?
8:30.
Oh, you start earlier.
Yes, I like to arrive early.
I like to arrive on time, not early.
Haha, that's fair.
I like sleeping.
Me too.
Do you take the bus or do you drive?
I take the bus. How about you?
I take the bus too.
Nice. Same team.
Same team.
Sometimes bus small talk happens too.
Yes, like, is this seat taken?
Or, do you know if this bus goes to Main Street?
Yes, simple and helpful.
I like helpful small talk.
Me too. In the office, I often say, how's your morning going?
That's a good line.
It feels warm, but not too personal.
Exactly.
And if they say, not great, I can say, sorry to hear that.
Yes, and hope your day gets better.
Right, simple support.
That's very kind. In the building, I sometimes say, have a nice evening.
I say that too.
It's a good closing line.
Yes, it ends the talk politely.
Do you ever forget names?
All the time.
Me too. I feel bad.
Same. So I say hi without the name.
Yes, hi, and smile.
Works every time.
Unless they say, do you remember my name?
Oh no.
That happened to me once.
What did you do?
I said, I'm sorry, I'm bad with names.
That's honest.
Yes, and then I asked again.
That's the best way.
The person was okay.
Good. Most people understand.
Do you know any simple way to remember names? I tried to repeat the name one time.
Like, nice to meet you, Tom.
Yes, exactly.
That helps?
Also, I connect the name with something.
Like what?
Like, Tom has a blue bike.
Oh, nice. A small picture in your mind.
Yes.
I would try that.
Do you ever talk to your coworkers about movies or shows?
Sometimes, if someone talks first.
Same. I don't start that topic often.
Why not?
Because people like different things.
True. But you can say, any good shows lately?
That's a good question.
It's open. They can answer easy.
Yes, if they say, I don't watch shows, it's okay.
Exactly. What is your favorite small talk topic?
Food. Always food.
Same. Food is safe and fun.
And it's not too personal.
Yes.
I can ask, what did you eat for lunch? And they can say, noodles, rice, salad.
Easy. And if it sounds good, you say, that sounds tasty.
Yes. At school, teachers always talk about coffee.
Coffee is popular everywhere.
It is. They say, I need coffee. I hear that every day.
Me too.
Sometimes neighbors talk about building problems.
Like what?
Like the elevator, the lights, noise.
Oh, yes, that topic comes up.
I try to stay polite.
Same. I say, yeah, I hope they fix it soon.
Exactly.
Do you like living here overall?
Yes, it's quiet most of the time.
Same.
And it's close to shops. Yes, that's convenient.
Convenience is important.
Very. Oh, do you have any tips for the local area, like a good place to eat?
Yes, there's a small noodle place near the bus stop.
Really?
Yes, it's cheap and tasty.
Nice, I will try it.
Go to lunchtime, but not too late.
Why?
It gets crowded at 1:30 p.m.
Good to know.
If you go at 11:45, it's better.
Great tip.
And there's also a bakery near the market.
Oh, I love bakeries.
They have fresh bread in the morning.
That sounds amazing.
It smells so good.
I want bread now.
Haha, me too.
At work, do people ever complain in small talk?
Yeah, sometimes.
Like what?
Like, I'm so tired. Too much work. This meeting is long.
Yes, I hear that too.
I usually say, I know, or same here.
That's easy and friendly.
Yes, it shows you understand.
But you don't need to go deep.
Exactly.
Do you ever have to make small talk with someone you don't like?
Sometimes.
What do you do?
I keep it short and polite.
Like hello and have a good day?
Yes, and I don't share personal things.
That's smart.
Small talk can be a shield.
A shield. I like that.
Do you ever worry about saying the wrong thing?
Yes, sometimes.
Me too.
But I think simple words are safe.
Exactly. Keep it simple.
And smile.
Yes, a smile helps a lot.
Do you want to practice a few easy small talk lines now?
Sure, but keep it natural.
Okay, imagine we meet in the hallway.
Okay.
Hi, Kay, how's it going?
Hey, Bunny, I'm good. How about you?
I'm good. Busy day today.
Yeah, same. Hope your day goes well.
Thanks, you too.
That's perfect.
Very simple.
And very real. Here's another one. We meet at the office coffee machine.
Okay.
Morning. Did you sleep well?
Not really. I stayed up late.
Oh, no. Hope you can rest tonight.
Thank you. I hope so.
Good.
Nice and kind. Sometimes I say, long time no see.
That's a good one for neighbors.
Yes, like if I didn't see you for a week.
Then you say, how have you been?
Yes.
And the other person says, good, just busy.
Always busy.
Yes, everyone is busy.
But it's okay. It's a common answer.
Very common. Do you have any pets?
No, not now. How about you?
No pets. I like pets, but I'm busy.
Same. Pets need time.
Yes, and care.
Maybe one day.
Maybe.
Do you like your coworkers?
Yes, most of them.
That's good.
How about you?
Yes, I have a good team.
Nice. A good team is important.
Yes, it makes work feel lighter.
What do you usually say when you meet a new coworker?
I say, "Hi, I'm Bunie. Nice to meet you."
Perfect.
And I ask, "How long have you worked here?"
That's a good question.
It's easy to answer.
Yes. What do you say when you meet a new neighbor?
I say, "Hi, I'm Bunie. I live in 412."
Nice. Clear and simple.
And I say, "Nice to meet you."
Good.
Sometimes I also say, "Let me know if you need anything."
That's very friendly.
Yes, but I mean simple things.
Like, where's the trash room?
Exactly. Or, which day is recycling day?
Yes.
Do you know which day is recycling day here?
I think it's Wednesday.
Oh, good. I wasn't sure.
I saw the bins outside on Wednesday.
Okay, I will remember.
At work, do you talk in the elevator with coworkers?
Sometimes, but it can be awkward.
Yes. Elevator talks are short.
Very short.
Like, going up?
Yes.
Have a good day.
You too.
Done.
Exactly. Sometimes the elevator is silent and everyone looks at the numbers.
Yes, like the numbers are very interesting.
Yes.
It's okay though. Silence is fine.
Silence is fine.
What do you do when small talk turns into gossip?
I try to change the topic.
Good idea.
I say, "Oh, by the way, did you finish the report?"
Nice. Back to work?
Yes. Or I say, "I need to go."
That's also good.
Simple exit.
Yes. Do you ever talk to neighbors about safety, like locking doors?
Not really, only if something happens.
That makes sense.
I don't want to scare people.
True. Better to stay calm.
Do you ever bring snacks to coworkers?
Sometimes, on special days.
Like birthdays?
Yes, or after a holiday.
That's nice.
It helps people smile.
Food again. Food is always good.
Yes, food is love.
Simple love.
If you see a neighbor carrying heavy bags, do you help?
If I can, yes.
Me too. Even small help is good.
Yes, like holding the door.
Exactly. Holding the door is easy.
And people say, "Thank you."
And you say, no problem.
Simple and nice. Sometimes I feel like English small talk is about being warm, not being perfect.
Yes, warm is more important than perfect.
I like that.
If you make a small mistake, it's okay.
People still understand.
Yes, and you can correct quickly.
Like, "Good night." Sorry, good morning.
Exactly, and laugh. Oh, look at the time. We need to go soon.
Yes, I should leave in 5 minutes.
Same. Before we go, I want to say it's nice chatting with you.
Same here. It makes the morning feel friendly.
We should do this sometimes.
Yes, even short talks are good.
Agreed.
One more thing. If you ever get a package by mistake, please tell me.
Of course, and same for you.
Sure.
Great. Okay, I'll see you later.
See you. Have a good day at work.
You too. Take care.
You too. Bye.
Bye.